Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is a flower, this is water, this is cloud. What a tragedy, what a comedy. What's dropping from up down to the ground? Nature is unique. It's different really, you can't make it man-made. Afan Oromo barachuu kabarbaadan. If you want to learn Afan Oromo, you can join me. You see, it's a matter of dropping from up down to the ground. We have to talk together. Nature is like immense. Language is immaterial. A culture is immense nature that you can use and go through such a forest. Afan Oromo. Anyway, the melody may come, but the copyright may matter. So don't worry, join me and I will teach you Afan Oromo from start to end. And you will be very soon the speaker of the near native Afan Oromo. What a melody, what a tragedy, what a comedy. Still what's come to the ground from up is a lot, but the man in the middle. So we are here under the stars on the globe to share what we have, what we know with each other. That comes through when we learn language. Language. Yeah. Afan Oromo. You know, what makes me happy is just to talk together in all the language you can without any problem. You look up the sky, find numerous galaxies. We have a lot of language in the world. If we can't learn all, that's really awesome. But we have to learn at least to the level we can. Still, the leaves drop and they decay and become soil and grow up again. This is cyclical, you see. Language also, grow, develop, die, regrow, and pass to generations and used. Afan Oromo. Wow. Yeah. That's what makes a great melody. Anyways, those of you living in the world, here and there, in the north and south, the east and the west, this is Belai Grma. It goes to the 7th generation. So join me and I'll teach you Afan Oromo. It was my long plan. I started my YouTube 6 years back to teach Afan Oromo. Yet not got the chance to go through things. But now I'm ready now. I'm ready, really ready to air up in my native language, which is Afan Oromo. Yeah. Something dropping from up is not the star, it's a flower that makes nature huge, interesting, that obsesses everyone to live together, speak the same different languages. Afan Oromo. Yeah, I hope you will join me and we'll go through Afan Oromo from is abacada to it is keyyata barreessu, from ABCD to it is paragraph writing and reading. I thank you very much.